Welcome to the Weekly People Research by Nicholas Bevani. We are living through a massive operational paradox. As organizations race to automate and restructure, we are quietly changing the very fabric of how work is executed, how culture functions, and how people stay motivated. But are we tracking the hidden friction points or are we driving blind? Welcome back to the 160th edition of Weekly People Research. This week, we shifted away from surface-level average to focus on the cold, hard mathematics of organization design, invisible displacement, and dropping workforce motivation. By synthesizing critical insights from Gartner, Cangrade, Gallup, and the ADP Research Institute, we engineered 6 critical metrics to measure what is truly happening beneath the corporate surface. Let's recap the week. We kicked things off by tackling internal alignment. Using Gartner's framework on structural breakdown, we address how executive strategy dangerously degrades as it travels down vertical reporting lines. To measure this communication friction, we introduced the Hierarchical Culture Variance, HCV. Right alongside this, we analyze Cangrade's data on the evolving workforce. As a baseline cognitive strengths shift, just as a routine task automate, we engineered the internal capability conversion rate, ICCR, to track the vital delta between current skill gaps and the accelerating pace of automation. Midweek, we turn our focus to macro talent trends with Gallup's Q1 data. The findings revealed a massive perception gap. Over a fifth of the workforce reports active downsizing, yet almost no one explicitly blames technology. The reality, automation is quietly absorbing those roles behind the scenes. To bring transparency to this shift, we introduced 2 crucial indexes, the Blended Headcount Index, BHI, and the Hidden Automation Displacement Rate, HADR, to expose when AI-driven displacement is being marked as routine budget cuts. We closed the week with a newly released June 2026 ADP Research Institute report. The data delivers a stark warning. Overall employee sentiment is officially slipping across more than half of all tracked sectors, led heavily by a decline in healthcare. To prevent this dropping commitment from triggering an unwanted talent exodus, we built the Motivation Attrition Risk, MAR, a formula designed to isolate at-risk department and catch flight risk before it hits your bottom line. Finally, we rounded out our toolkit with the Adaptability to Task Ratio, ATR, to evaluate structural elasticity as legacy tasks completely disappear. The ultimate takeaway from this week is clear. Aggregate organizational data is a dangerous blind spot. Average engagement scores and generic separation codes hide localized crises. Survival in the next era of work requires mathematically precise, localized metrics. Thank you everyone who joined the discussion this week. Let me know in the comments which of these 6 metrics are you prioritizing in your workforce planning models right now. Have a great Sunday and I will see you tomorrow for a brand new week of daily data HR metrics. For your daily dose of learning in people analytics, make sure to like and follow my YouTube and LinkedIn page at Nicholas Bevani.